How to draw lines in TradingView. Now, in order to draw lines in TradingView, just simply open your TradingView app and go over chart. Then after going over chart, you will get this pencil icon at the bottom of your screen. Just simply tap to pencil and then go over trend lines from here. Now you can choose between different lines options such as trend line, ray, vertical line, cross line, and many more. Just simply select the line which you would like to draw in your TradingView chart. I'm selecting trend line right here and it will appear in your screen like this. Just simply tap anywhere into your screen and drag it to wherever you want to create this line like this. If you want to make it straight, you can go as long as you want in this section or the app allows, and this is how you create a line in TradingView. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.